Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno7, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, hello. Select the green arrow and find your desired language from the list. I'll be sticking with the default one that is selected, English, and from there you can go to the next page, which allows me to choose my region. This will define also your time zone, so I do recommend, checking in the correct one. Otherwise you will need to do some extra steps to make sure that the time is set correctly. Now from here you want to select the first two options, the user agreement and the privacy policy. You can also tap on these eye icons right here to read exactly what you're agreeing to, but you have to agree to them. Otherwise you can go to the next page. And the next page allows us to connect to some kind of network. So you can skip this if you don't want to. You can connect to it if you do. By connecting to it, you will also be able to log into your Google account throughout the setup process. And if you choose to skip it and also didn't insert a SIM card, then Google account will not show up throughout the setup process, and also date and time might not be set automatically. Now on the next page we have some Google services. We have three different ones, and going quickly into all three of them, the use location allows the device to look for use the GPS tracking for apps like Google Maps, so it can give you an accurate route to your destination. Then scanning allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then below that send user and diagnostic data allows Google to gather data on you and send it to themselves. So from here, on the next page, we can now select our navigation style through the device. So first one, the buttons, is just the one that you can kind of see right here, just one of them, right? The typical old style navigation, and then we have the gesture navigation, which is animated right here, just so you can see how it functions. I do prefer gestures myself, so that's what I'm going to select right here. And last things, here we have some kind of unlocking method, so we can protect our device, and we have three different methods of going about it. We can choose all three at the same time. So we have fingerprint, face recognition, and PIN pattern or password. So the password basically allows you to choose from three different options. Now additionally, if you're planning to use fingerprint or face recognition, any of those two or both of them, you will always be required to set up the PIN pattern or password. The reason for that is if something would happen to your finger, your face, or just the sensors on the phone, you still have some other means to access your phone. That'd be through PIN pattern or password. And I'll be setting up just a pattern right here. And there we go. Recommended auto update overnight. You can do that if you want to. Basically updates the device if there is an update during the night. And this basically finishes up the setup. So let's select get started, and as you can see there is our home screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.